It's called, I think, it's lovely clear.
Okay.
Yes. It's okay, just 40k, it's okay.
Firm.
Okay.
3 inside.
Oh, they have the
strap.
this one.
They only come this one, they never mind.
I thought it's just going to buy one burst. This one is look really
really beautiful.
ugly.
Really beautiful.
I don't think it's like I. Like this one is just like.
Okay, you can get any other. Don't worry.
This one is
battery.
Battery. Yeah, lovely one. Really thick one.
That's really big size.
The size is really bigger than the Canon one.
Yes.
Second one.
Yeah, this is the
Volante and
instruction.
this one is sticker. No.
No,
New
this
just. It's from Singapore, right?
Singapore.
It's all from Singapore.
Yes.
Mhm.
It's all the warranty.
That's okay. That's okay.
instruction.
Don't need to take it. It's all lovely.
Okay.
This one.
Open up this one.
Oh, they smell that one.
Yeah. Nice smell. Smell of leather.
It smells like that is brilliant.
Okay.
Wow, look at that. It's just
Open up.
piece of art. Wow. Just voila.
Okay.
Okay. Leica M. Look at the full frames. Oh, it's so thick.
No, you must press it.
Oh, it's really.
Okay. Sensor you can't see, don't worry.
Yeah. It's not like the Sony one. You can see
like the
through
Sony,
the
it's
sensor. It's
straight,
really
yes.
dangerous.
Because that one, they have a
Yeah.
shutter door.
It's sort of doors. Wow.
Okay, I'd make it turn.
Yeah, yes. It's what the?
Okay, this is the shutter.
What is it?
Okay,
It's just my hand. It's just my hand.
just a hand. Okay, on off.
Uh,
Manual.
this one is single shot, right?
Yeah, single shot continuous.
And this one is
soft timer.
soft. This one is movie button.
Yes.
Can't believe the car is make movie button in that big up sky.
And this is for electronic viewfinder.
Yes. Look at the words. Oh.
Then this is about Leica camera in Germany. Wow, fantastic.
Yes. Awesome. This one is white balance.
This one is roll for your option. White balance option, dials, whatever.
So
you
this
can
one
roll
is
here.
can custom, right?
Yes, this one you can customize it, no problem.
Oh, look at the sound. It's
Yes.
just like Rolls Royce, right?
Soft one, don't worry, not too hard. Okay, live view you press here, all the button here,
Yeah.
then information, then left, right, up, down for your option.
Lovely.
And this is a viewfinder.
What the distinction of the viewfinder?
Hmm?
What the distinction of the viewfinder? 50, 30.
Okay, they have 50 and 35.
This one is the.
Normally it's 50. You see the big frame. Oh, sorry.
This one is
This one I see 50.
through the rangefinder.
Through the rangefinder.
50.
50.
Oh, that's perfect. That's why she got 50 lens one. This one is mix. Okay. Oh, it's full frame size, really small one. Yeah, take out. I will put us oil in the back in.
Okay. I put the lens out.
Let's try what is underneath this one. I really never see that inside this one.
Okay, I open up for you.
Yes.
Okay. This one for memory card, this one for battery.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you just information? This one is for.
For the data.
Oh, nice. Look at the battery size, just lovely big one.
Just because sometimes you use
Try the one you chucking.
Okay, I use
Yes.
that one.
The whole set. This big of metal is cost 18k. 40k. Big of metal. Wow. Can't believe. Look at the box, it's really small one. I don't expect this box is really small. Yeah, it's okay. Have the windows in here. It's handmade. 100%. I saw on the YouTube is someone is put that on the floor and stay in.
No, never.
Possible?
No, please don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't try it at home really. Yes. Look at this. Charger.
This charger.
Is it 80% already?
80% already.
Oh, nice. I can use that tonight.
Yes, you can show it when you start.
We have the 80% charger, charging fully. The Leica Lego. This one is with DC adapter and voila. Try the hand grip one. Try the hand grip one.
Oh, you want to put a hand grip on?
Yes.
Okay.
Want to keep the original, just keep.
Okay.
Look at that, it's just big of metal. This one is.
Okay.
Oh, the thing is came back. That's one big metal. See. The other way, the other way.
Yes.
Nice one. Very brilliant.
A bit different from the older one.
Yes.
Older one is straight
Oh.
in. Okay.
Body also metal.
This one my metal or plastic?
Metal.
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 Oh really? Hand grip by metal?
Yeah. Metal. No plastic. Huh?
Oh really? Oh look at it, there's clothes and old one over there. Oh really? Just so wow, really nice one.
Better hold.
Yeah, but really better hold.
Better hold.
Because it's just hold the only camera is really
Yes.
gone be of.
Okay. Then this
You
one
put
you
the
keep.
lens in.
Yep.
Cannot believe. This is really
Your
Nice.
beautiful toys.
yeah beautiful. I see B in here. What's the B for?
Bus for bulb.
For
Bulb.
oh, what does for?
No,
B one
not
here.
B. No, this is 8. B is here.
Oh, this is A. So it's B for what?
For bulb, you open your shutter
Yeah.
until you release.
Oh, it's just like the launch bowl, right?
Yes, correct.
Oh. A is for O2.
4,000.
Oh, there's the small nuts in here. This is 3. I think it's 3 something
Yes.
around.
Yeah, 4, 3.
Yeah, it's not limited in that one.
Yes.
But I think it's good. 250 is fine. Oh, look at it.
Okay, so this will be the line. Probably I should like 30 or 15.
Yeah, the thing is just
Okay,
yeah.
this one. Open up.
How the lens is really chunky one.
Yeah.
It's it just got
50
by
Can you just show the 10 by
more than half my finger. Wow, it's really tiny, lovely one. You need to try.
I think it's one of these.
I get it.
Hey, you can put the filter in also.
No.
Yeah, keep the box, put the filter in.
No, that's yeah.
This one is original batteries. So we just put it in.
This part. This piece. You think you have it?
Where's spare part em ơi? Don't have spare
啊，
part.
你要去 service center。
Y'all go before center. I go the
Yeah.
Look at the general camera. I just put the lens, really lovely one, lovely lens. These tiny. Wow.
This one brighter.
你这个是换了的呀，新的哈。
So when you change lens, right,
Oh,
try
okay,
not
fine.
to because
Saturday maybe.
Like 2 years warranty.
Monday
It's okay.
to Friday. And then Thursday.
but you feel not lost because you have to
Yeah.
send back and clean
Ah.
when you travel.
Try the hook. The hook here.
Okay, thank you.
3 inch. Nice.
Just to be in.
Wow, it's just the hook. It just look. Cannot believe. 2000. Now just start. Oh, no battery. Nice. that one is just let me do that later.
Okay.
So just try the focusing. Can you put it in the? Oh.
我也去，我懂得。
So you have to turn the focusing.
Let me see.
Okay, I'll try for you.
Just try it out. It's okay. I think just fire already. It's low effect already. It just is the screen protector is still there, so it yeah. So it's why yeah. Slightly for a second. Why it's so dark?
No, you have to
Just
turn.
in read F1. Yes, perfect. Sounds like silent.
Nicer. Some event then only allowed like car go in because shutter.
Wow, really?
Some event
Oh,
no
so
professional
safe,
event.
Just try.
Oh, that's very good.
This one is 50, right? The Rainfighter,
Yes.
50.
Okay, they have a big and a small.
Yeah, I
big
know.
one.
I saw on the YouTube already.
Okay, the big one is 50, the small one is 35.
Oh, the
You got two frame inside. You see?
yeah, I
The
see.
bigger
Yes,
and the smaller, right? The bigger
Ah.
is the 50,
yes.
the smaller is the 35.
Oh, 35. Why?
When you put the 35 lens in, then you see a smaller range.
Where is this? Again.
I see
The
big box and small box.
yeah,
Big is 50,
yes.
the smaller one is 35.
How big the small one is 35?
Hmm?
How big the small one is 35?
No, when you see the small box, that's why your 35 range is inside the range of you shooting. Sorry.
The big one is 35. The small one is 50.
Yes.
Yeah, just confused the one. Look at how fucked on this one.
Okay.
Brilliant.
So the autofocus picking you set later.
Yeah, everything we'll set later. Wow. Now the image is just zooming. Look at the sharpness. We'll take out. Later we'll take out. later. Yes,
Later,
when I be Vietnam tonight.
Okay.
Yeah, my guys will do that for me. Is
Okay, I can tell you the minimum focusing range, right?
Yeah, I see that's one.
0.8.
Yes, boy.
0.8 is your minimum range.
Try the EVF one. Oh yeah.